I'm bored. I need to kick something.
Nobody is here. Just one kick. That's it. Oh no. Oh no. What have I done? Nobody saw me. It's going to be okay.
Good morning, David. Did you sleep well?
I did. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's quiet this morning. The kids are still sleeping.
Let them sleep. It's the weekend. I made some coffee. Would you like a cup?
Yes, please. Thank you, Lisa.
I'm bored. I need to kick something.
Nobody is here. Just one kick. That's it. Oh no. Oh no. What have I done? Nobody saw me. It's going to be okay.
I'm so hungry. I hope Mom made breakfast. What happened in here? The vase is broken. How did this happen? Who broke Mom's vase?
I should go and tell Mom. She needs to know about this.
Ryan, what is going on in here?
Mom, I just got here. I found it like this. I didn't do anything.
You found it like this? Ryan, you were the only one down here. How did this happen? Mom, I'm telling you the truth. I just walked in. Just walked in? The vase didn't break itself. This was my favorite vase, Ryan. Your grandmother gave it to me. I know, Mom. I'm really sorry, but I didn't break it. Ryan, if you broke it, just tell me. I won't be angry. I just want the truth.
Mom, I promise. It wasn't me. I would never lie to you.
What's going on in here? What happened to the vase?
Ryan, look at me. Did you break this vase?
Dad, I didn't do it. I just came downstairs.
Ryan, you know that honesty is very important in this family.
I know, Dad. And I am being honest right now.
We will get to the bottom of this, Ryan. Someone broke that vase.
And we will find out who it was.
Tyler, Ryan is getting in trouble because of you.
Zoe, please, just stay quiet.
Tyler, you have to tell the truth. Ryan didn't do anything wrong.
Zoe, I can't. Mom and Dad are going to be so angry at me.
They will be more angry if they find out later, Tyler.
I know, Zoe. I know. I just don't know how to tell them.
I will come with you. We will go together.
It's okay, Tyler. Let's go.
Okay, Zoe.
I'm right here with you.
Zoe, Tyler, what are you two doing up?
Mom, Dad, Ryan didn't break the vase. I saw everything.
Zoe, are you sure about what you saw? This is very important.
Yes, Mom, I saw everything. It was Tyler. Mom, Dad, it was me. I broke the vase. I'm really sorry.
Being scared is okay, Tyler. But honesty is always the right choice. Always.
I will remember that, Dad. I promise.
Running away does not fix the problem, Tyler. It only makes it bigger.
I know, Dad. I was scared. I did not want to get in trouble.
Tyler, when we make a mistake, we do not run away. We face it. Do you understand?
Yes, Dad, I understand.
Tyler, as a punishment, you will help clean up the broken vase, and you will help pay for a new one.
Yes, Mom. I will do that. I am really sorry.
Ryan, I am sorry. I should not have blamed you without knowing the truth. It is okay, Mom, you did not know. In this family, we always listen before we judge. I forgot that today. I am sorry.
I forgive you, Mom. It is okay.
Ryan, you stayed calm and told the truth even when nobody believed you. That took courage.
Thank you, Dad. I just wanted everyone to know the truth. Zoe, you were very brave today. You told the truth even when it was difficult. We are very proud of you.
I did not want Ryan to be in trouble for something he did not do.
Ryan, thank you for helping me. You did not have to do that.
We are brothers, Tyler. That is what brothers do.
That is what I like to see. Taking responsibility and helping each other.
This family always finds a way to work things out together.
Dad, next time I make a mistake, I will tell the truth straight away. I will not run away.
That is all I ask, Tyler. That is all I ask.
Today we all learned something important. Honesty is not always easy, but it is always right.
Okay, everyone. Who is hungry? I am going to make a big Saturday breakfast for this family.
Sounds great, honey!
Yay! We're hungry!
Hey, Ryan, thanks for not staying mad at me. That is what brothers are for, Tyler.